Now let's take an example on the Mark-release-recapture technique. Let's assume that scientists wanted to investigate the abundance of leafhoppers in a small grassy meadow. They used sweep nets to catch a large sample of leafhoppers from the meadow. Each insect was marked on their underside with non-toxic waterproof paint and then released back into the meadow. The number of caught and marked leafhoppers in the first sample was 236. The following day, another large sample was caught using sweep nets. Now, the number of caught leafhoppers in the second sample was 244, out of which 71 marked individuals were collected. Now, in order to calculate the estimated population size, we should use this equation. Estimated population size equals to total number of individuals in the first sample, which is 236, multiplied by the total number of individuals in the second sample, which is 244, all divided by the number of marked individuals recaptured, which is 71. And this would give us 811. So, the estimated population size is 811.